and gentlemen, this is OpenAI. If you're joining us here for another time, I'm here in Southwest University. By no means, as a disclaimer, I have to put it very straight. I am not making any promotion here, or I'm not making any advertisement here. I'm just a student of Southwest University, and today I'm joining my friends here because it's World AIDS Day, and I have passed through different several stages here, and this is the last stage here is to introduce the different forms of condoms. And here you can see the Gisborne condom here. One thing which I have to tell you is that if you have to have sexual intercourse, it's very important for the different choices which you're going to make. It's important for you not to risk your life. It's better for you to choose a suitable quality of the condom so that you can protect yourself, because HIV is real and you cannot afford to risk yourself because of low quality and cheap quality condom. So it's very important for you to make the right choices, and so you can select a Gisborne condom here, which is a partner to this Red Cross Association of Southwest University. So for me, I'm just a student of Southwest University, and I'm just doing a vlog to expose the different aspects of HIV and to tell the world that it's important for us to break the stereotype and don't focus too much on thinking that people who have HIV are individuals who should be rejected or relegated to the background. So it is important for us to understand this basic knowledge and live a communal life in the society. Stay tuned.
Thank you very much.
Okay, what do you have to say? Something? What do you have to say?
想说什么？艾滋病日，大家注意防范。
对，杰斯邦，青春爱不要爱。
Okay, so, okay, thank you. Our particular stage here, we are learning how to use the condom, and and actually, you can see cucumber here and banana here. We're going to use this on the different stages on how to use a condom. Okay, follow me around here.
Do you know how to use this?
Of course, I know.
You can just
Try.
just use the banana.
Okay, banana. Okay, guys. We have a condom here, and most likely it's a good one, and we're going to try it here on different aspects how to use a condom, and my friend here is going to teach me. Okay, so the first thing is you have to press, or you have to cut open the condom here, and you have to press the condom to make sure that there is no air inside the condom here, and you can hold the tip here, make sure there is no air within the condom. And okay, do you know what this is? Actually, in real life, this is supposed to be a penis. Okay, so we're going to try it here. And actually, if you have to do this, it's most preferably that your partner can do this for you. So you can try. And yeah, this is one of this. And am I right? I don't know.
Take it off. Take this off.
Oh, how to take this off? So do I need to do this one also?
I think you correctly, but it's a little point. First, we should check this date. See?
Okay.
We should check this. If it's available, you can push it to one side and
Okay.
we put it to one side, and then you should check it is 正反面怎么说？
那可以吗？
你可以吗？可以，这个可以，这个可以。什么意思
？You should check. It's correct and we can use this. Yeah. Okay. When we take it off, we should just like this.
Okay.
And we can type.
Okay, I try another one.
You know, I have taught many girls use it. Because I think it's science, and many girls they will be very shy at first, and I told them it's science, and you should protect yourself. So you must study this, and they will study very seriously. And I think a girl who teaches this is not just flat or some. Yeah, it's the things everyone should know it, and it's very important to protect HIV from everyone. Yeah, so I think you are very great. You can use this, but many Chinese students can't use it before they enter the university. They in the 高中怎么说来着？
什么？
高中。
Senior high school 呀。
Senior high school, and they get knowledge from textbook. So we should give them some things can't study in high school.
Okay, 好了，谢谢。So beautiful people, like you can hear what she has said here. She's actually an expert. Give her five.好了, she's an expert here, and actually, she taught me different. Actually, I thought maybe I knew about this, but actually, she taught me how to use it. And the other part is, if you have to remove your condom, you have to tie it in this way before exposing or disposing it. And actually, she said here that many girls, especially, they are very shy on how to use the condom and how to put it. So it's very important because we have to protect ourselves, else the consequences are very grievous. So this is very important. So we have to protect ourselves.
看的话，它会有两个方向，一个是这个方向，一个是这个方向。你试着往下靠一下，最省力的那个方向就是正确方向。如果是省力，就是不好往下弄，那就是错误的方向。然后上面尽量不要流水。对，然后一推到底，推到底。然后这样已经正确佩戴避孕套了，然后等完事之后，男生处于一个半闭软的状态，然后把身体反过来拿，然后慢慢的用这样拿，就没办法。然后
How to use a condom?
慢慢的用推这个套，然后尽量不要把避孕套的底层露出来，因为这样会把精液露出来，然后慢慢的推出来，一推到底，真实情况
use a condom in a wrong way that equal to don't use it.
Yeah, it's very important for people to learn how to use a condom.
真实情况应该比这个要容易，protect yourself and protect others. 那这个露出来，这个
Very important. Protect yourself and protect others.
然后在它拿出来之后，里面会有精液，然后你要是 这样往下一推，看它有没有气泡形成，就看它有没有漏气。如果有漏气的话，那么就说明你在上台的过程中就是出现了精液露出，要注意。
我介绍了，完了吧？这
可以吗？
OK。
打了一个扣之后，你就可以把它扔掉了。然后你还要检查一下这边有没有漏，如果有漏的话就坏事了。就这样。
这个是还要再加吗？
Rather, we can next station.
你集齐克隆猪了吗？
Okay, go to the next
Okay,
one.
you can
And let me bring you very close to this so you can actually see what is happening here.
然后把它推到底之后，然后等完事之后，男生处于半闭软的状态。然后这个时候要马上拿这个香蕉，就是为让自己比较爽利嘛。真实情况比现在情况要好一些。然后用手尽量不要让孕号的把里面露出来，因为这样露出来的话会让精液流出来，然后就慢慢的推到底，就是把它推出来，慢慢就推出来，然后这里面会有精液。然后最后一步我们要检查它到底有没有漏气，那么我们把它向下这么一推，看能不能形成一个小气泡。如果形成小气泡，那说明肯定没有漏气；如果漏气的话，那要吃洗涤用药。然后这样，然后最后把它打一个结。如果没有漏气，把它打一个结。把它打一个结之后，用纸巾包住，扔进垃圾桶，不要扔进马桶，这会造成堵塞。盖好，盖上，擦擦手。
Some gifts here, and actually there are different types of condom here. This is a very good brand of condom. I think in China and around the world is called Durex, and I can bring it very close to you. You can see the Durex condom here. By no means I'm not doing any advertisement here, but I'm just trying to tell you that if you have to protect yourself from HIV, you have to choose the best form of condoms or the best brand, because you cannot afford to risk yourself because you want to buy the low quality condom. So in whatever you're doing, please stay safe and make sure that you buy the most suitable and high quality condom. I'm not doing any advertisement here, but I'm just trying to coach with you. Thank you. Okay guys, so actually I just talked about the Durex here, and the other type of condom here is the the Gisborne condom here. It's a good brand in China, and if you find it anywhere, maybe on Taobao or on Alibaba, please try as much as possible to buy it, because like I said, you cannot afford to risk yourself while having sex or sexual intercourse, because HIV is real and you need to protect yourself as much as possible. So make the right choices and make the right selection for different condoms. So I just showed you here two different formats. Here we have let me bring it very close to you, Gisborne and Durex. So please stay tuned and go nowhere.
Okay, I just select this. Yeah. Thank you.
No, no.
Okay, okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, thank you. It's the same thing. Oh.
And this is our cooperative partner. And for Jasper.
Okay.
Yes, this is cooperative partner.